Hey guys, this is question MM044 of the Maths Methods Sharpened Study Guide. How to find a composite function when you've got two other functions. So firstly, what is a composite function? I like to say that a composite function is a function within a function. So at the moment we've got g of x equals 2 times x plus 2 squared, take 1, just a regular quadratic. And h of x equals log e of 3x plus 1, obviously just a log function. We're after h of g of x. So what does h of g of x actually mean? Basically we take g of x and we replace all the x's inside h of x with the whole of g of x. What I mean by that is h of g of x would be the same as h of 2x plus 2 squared take 1. Which means that instead of h of x equals log e of 3x plus 1, we get h of this, where we replace all the x's with this. Which means we have h of g of x equals log e of 3 times 2 times x plus 2 squared minus 1 plus 1. So don't forget that plus 1 on the end because we've still got that over here. This x is this section here. What we then do is simply expand all this out. So what we get is 6x plus 2 squared minus 3 plus 1. Keep going with that. We get log e of 6x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 2. And if we expand that out, we get log e of 6x squared plus 24x plus 24 minus 2. Gives us log e of 6x squared plus 24x plus 22. Now there's a common factor of 2 in this quadratic. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out that 2. 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. And what this is essentially saying is log e of 2 times, it's in here. And according to our multiplication addition log law, whenever we have two terms inside a bracket multiplied by each other, it's the same as a log plus one of those terms. And what I mean by that is if we've got log e of 2 times this is the same as log e of 2 plus log e of 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. Now, I can't actually see an answer that looks like this, but there is one that looks roughly like it. So we've got our 3x squared plus 12x plus 11, which is this section here. But our problem is we've got a positive log e of 2 here. And this is a little bit of a trick answer, or not a trick answer, a trick question, because a positive log e of 2, if we do log e to 1/2 to the power of negative 1, this will actually give us positive 2 because 2 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 2, which means that 1 over 2 to the power of negative 1 is 2, plus log e of 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. And due to our power rule, we can actually bring this negative 1 out the front, which gives us negative log e of 1/2 plus log e of 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. Which is actually equal to our answer B. I've written it the other way around, but it's the same thing. So you've got negative log e of 1/2 plus log e of 3x squared plus 12x plus 11, giving us our answer B.